So sitting real straight. Now, shoulders are all the way back and down. And I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to take your focus into the sound of the wave. And as you're listening to the sound of the wave, I want you to envision it rolling forward and rolling back. And just envisioning the wave moving one way and the other. And now slowly, I want you to move your breath to go with the wave. Inhaling one way and exhaling the other. Still watching the wave in your mind, moving forward and back, but taking the breath with you. And some waves feel longer than others. So those waves, you're going to actually extend your breath more than others. And I want you to keep that focused, but kind of like a light switch. You're going to switch now, and I want you to feel the breeze as it touches your skin. So your breath is still moving with the wave, but your awareness is on the breeze that comes by. And as you feel the breeze, you can just notice the intensity. If it's just a light breeze of air, or maybe it's a little bit stronger. And every once in a while, we all do this. We all think of different things that kind of cross our mind. And I want you to bring it back to the feeling of the breeze and the sound of the ocean. And it's okay to let the mind drift, but just bring it back. Notice that you've allowed your mind to drift, and then pull it right back into where it needs to be. So once again, like a light switch, we're going to keep the focus of the breath and the ocean wave. But now, I want you to really focus on what you smell. If you smell deep enough, you can actually smell the ocean. We have the mangrove. We have the seagrass. We have just the general wind. And then slowly bring your awareness fully into the sound of the wave. And in your mind's eye, you should be visualizing that wave rolling in and rolling out, going right along with the breath. And so I want to change your breathing pattern just a little bit. So you're going to take a little inventory of your body and kind of feel areas of tightness. And when you notice those areas, On the next exhalation that comes, exhale and allow that tight energy to leave your body. Still trying to hold yourself upright as best as possible. And go all the way through your body from head to toe. Deepening the breath. And allowing the sound of the wave to be the only sound you hear. That it's so loud that you hear nothing else. And so I want you to bring your awareness back to the breeze and feel the breeze go by. And then I want you to change your hearing. And I want you to start to listen to the palms as they rustle through the wind. There's a couple of trucks that are going by, so let them just go by. And then take your awareness to really listening to the palms. And you might not hear it at once, but your goal is just to keep focusing. It's like you're peeling away the layers of sound, and you're taking yourself only to the breeze and to the leaves. And now slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. And we're going to take everything that you've been listening to out right now and only listen to the sound of your breath. And I want you to try to extend your breath. So on the next inhalation, slowly start to count and extend the breath as long as you can go. Count all the way through the inhalation. And then when you exhale, you're going to do the same thing. And start counting with number 1. Go all the way through. And on the next inhalation, you're going to do the same thing, but I want you to try to beat your score. So you're trying to extend and lengthen your breath more each time. Allow your shoulders to pull back and down. Your chest is up. Your chest rises with the breath. And then slowly bring yourself back to your regular breathing pattern.